What's going on, guys? It's your boy Dell. Today we're gonna be breaking down over 5 simple English idioms, right? So it's been an age since I pull up over here on my YouTube channel, guys. If you are new on my YouTube channel, if you watch this video for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. This channel is for English idioms, slang, phrasal verb, and tips, right? Sometimes English grammar and all this stuff, right? So what exactly are we gonna be talking today, guys? It is really important to use English idioms, right? Because native speakers, they like using them a lot, right? So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you over only five, not a lot, y'all, right? Not a lot, over five simple English idioms that you guys need to know. And I know a lot of you guys love English idioms, and if you are an English learner, it's really important to try to know how to use idioms, right? So those are very easy, right? Very easy and important to use and to understand too, right? We are going to break them down today in this video and explain them to you guys properly how to use them, right? So let's see right here what we got now. The first one, right? The first one is out of this world. This is the first one, right? I've made a video about this one before, right? So I just gathered them together to explain them separately, okay, to make them clear for you guys, right? And I want every one of you guys understand everything, right? If you like this video, I want you to smash the like button right now, smash it, and drop your own comment right now. Let's keep going. The first one is out of this world. The second one is read someone's mind. The third one is the ceiling, right? The fourth one is keep your chin up. And the last one, put on ice. You got them all? Nice. Let's keep going again. Out of this world, read someone's mind. Hit the ceiling, keep your chin up. And the last one is put on ice, right? Those idioms, guys, they are very useful, guys, and I want you guys to understand more. And I'm going to explain one of them, right? I'm going to explain all of them separately in order you guys to understand everything and to try to use them properly when you guys speak English, right? And I'm going slowly, I'm not gonna rush, right? So the first one is out of this world. This one just means extremely good, enjoyable, or impressive. This is the meaning of out of this world. You got it? Alright. For example, what a restaurant. The food was out of this world. You got it? Nice. Let's go to another one. She cooked a meal which was out of this world. Make sense? Nice. Alright, so out of this world, it can be anything. Anything, y'all. Really anything. For example, it can be place, food, a person, creature, and event, right? For example, the graphics and sounds are out of this world. I think this one sounds properly. Okay, nice. I think you guys got this one properly, right? Am I right? That's great. Now let's go to the second one. To read someone's mind. To read someone's mind just means to know what someone is thinking without being told. Understood? Very clear, this one. I love this one. You know, I know somebody's out there, right? Somebody's out there is reading my mind, right? All right, that's cool. So let's get some examples about this simple idiom. To read someone's mind. For example, how did you know How did you know I went to that city for my birthday? You must have read my mind. Make sense? Is that making sense to you guys? Nice. Let's get another one. I'm sorry, but I can't read your mind. You need to tell me these things. You got this, guys? Alright. So this one is very simple, guys. Very simple. Hope it makes sense to every one of you, right? Now let's get a last example about this idiom. Oh, you read my mind. That's exactly where I want to go to dinner. You got it? Okay, this one is very simple, guys. This one is very simple, right? Let's cut it off. Now let's go for the third one. Hit the ceiling. Hit the ceiling just means to become extremely angry. You got it? Alright. And I don't want you guys to get like that, right? I don't want you guys to hit the ceiling, because if you are under that, because you are very hungry, right? Extremely hungry. You got it? Nice. Try to avoid to get like that, guys. Try to avoid to hit the ceiling, because if you hit the ceiling, oh my god, that is very dangerous, right? And try to avoid this, guys. So alright, let's keep it up. Now let's go for some examples right now. That will hit the ceiling when he finds out I've left school. Make sense? Alright, let's get another one. Mom will hit the ceiling when she finds out we broke the vase by playing ball in the house again. Nice? Yeah, very cool, guys, because this one is very nice, and I come up with this simple idiom for you guys because it is really important to understand it. Even though you guys don't have to hit the ceiling, but some of you out there are, right? But hit the ceiling is very dangerous, but you guys might not be in control that. But I don't want you guys to hit the ceiling. Try to avoid this, please, right? Alright, so let's go for the fourth one. Okay, now before that, let's get a last example about this, guys. Let's get a last example about these. Okay, so the last example about is the ceiling. For example, when I told him what happened, it hit the ceiling. Is that sounds great? Alright, now let's go for the last one. I think, yeah, this is the last one over here. We got the last one, the last idiom I'm gonna try to explain. Not the last one, that's the fourth one. Sorry, that's the fourth one. Over here we got keep your chin up. Okay, keep your chin up. This one is very nice, guys, very nice, and so many of you guys already know the simple idioms, but I try to explain this one properly in order you guys can understand everything about it. Right? Because native speakers, they like using these idioms a lot, many times, and it is really important to you guys know how to use it. Yeah, right? That's how I come up with it right now. Okay, keep your chin up means to stay cheerful and hopeful, right? During difficult times, or to keep on trying in tough situation. You got it? You see that? Very simple, guys. They are not hard. Idioms are not hard, guys. You just have to practice them. Practice them. You guys already know practice makes perfect. Okay? For example, don't let the difficulties, okay? Don't let the difficulties intimidate you. Keep your chin up. You got it? Alright. Another example. My mom always taught me to keep my chin up in every situation if I want to win. Right? Very simple. Let's get a last example. Keep your chin up. Everything will be alright. Yes, everything will be alright. I have to keep my chin up. Alright? Don't stop fighting. Don't stop starting, guys. Everything will be alright. Okay? Alright. Now let's get the last one, the last idiom for today. Put on nice, right? This is one of my favorite idioms out there, and I love using this one mostly when I talk about something, right? I'm going to explain you what it is exactly and what is the meaning of these simple idioms. Put on ice just means to delay something, right? To delay something, it might be a plan or idea. Very simple, right? You see this? Right. Now let's go for to get some examples about that one. For example, I don't really have time for that now. Let's put it on ice and we will talk about that later. Make sense? Alright, another example again. We decide to put the project on ice until we hire a new project manager. That sounds clear? Alright, the last one to finish this video, guys. Hey, I will call you later. Let's put that on nice now, right? Yo, guys, listen. You see that? Very simple, guys. This one I love using this one a lot most of the time, right? And it is one of my favorite idioms out there, and I want you guys to use it. Okay, so I want you guys to make your own comment below. Tell me which one that you like the most. Okay, and make your own sentence about it. You can make over two. You can get over two idioms that you like here. Okay, and I will reply to you guys. Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share this video with your English partner. Hope you guys are doing well. See you next time for my next videos. Bye bye.